Imagine being on $1 million production set. The pressure is on, and you're chasing a moment that will never happen again. You reach for your camera, and you don't even think about the gear. No rolling shutter to ruin your pan. No hunt for the subject's eye. It's locked on. And when you process that 50-megapixel file, the dynamic range is so deep, it feels like painting with light. For years, we've been told we have to choose speed or resolution, cinema grade or hybrid workhorse. Well, the industry is about to get a massive wake-up call. If the leaks regarding the Nikon Z9 II are even half true, we aren't just looking at a refresh. We're witnessing the biggest paradigm shift in photography since the death of the mechanical shutter. The original Z9 changed everything with its 45.7 MP stack sensor. But the Z9 II? Rumors point to a 50-megapixel stacked sensor built on 3 nanometers manufacturing. I know what the skeptics are saying. More pixels mean more noise. But with 3 nanometers silicon, we're seeing signal-to-noise ratios improve faster than resolution. We are hitting the holy grail, the detail of a studio camera with the speed of an elite sports machine. Then, there's the holy grail, global shutter. If Nikon manages to integrate a true global shutter into a 50MP flagship, they aren't just improving the Z9. They are rendering almost every other motion camera on the market obsolete. No more banding under LED lights. No more skewed vertical lines during high-speed pans. This is the kind of leap that makes you want to sell your entire kit and switch ecosystems overnight. The unsung hero is the processing engine. We're moving beyond simple eye tracking into predictive erratic subject recognition. The camera isn't just reacting to where the athlete or bird is. It's calculating where they will be. It's a zero-miss system designed to remove the friction between your vision and the final product, paired with massive metadata capabilities that make your workflow on machines like the Mac Studio fly. For the filmmakers, how do you shoot 8K RAW without a loud fan? Nikon has allegedly developed a passive thermal management system built directly into the chassis. No moving parts, no overheating warnings, and no dropped frames. This is rock-solid reliability for the most demanding commercial sets. Nikon is positioning the Z9 II not as just another camera, but as a singular, ultimate tool. Why own a cinema camera, a sports camera, and a studio camera when this one machine replaces them all? It's a deliberate, high-stakes move to win the heart of the professional market. If these rumors hold up, this won't just be the camera of the year. It will be the industry standard for the next decade. So, I want to know where you stand. Is a 50MP global shutter the dream spec you've been waiting for? Or are you still worried about the trade-offs? Drop a comment below. I'm reading every single one. If you want to stay ahead of the curve as these specs are confirmed, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell.